Hi! During the first video of this section, we will cover a very important topic, spacing within PowerPoint slides. A PowerPoint presentation needs to be as clear and as organized as possible. The logical flow of information should occur at a number of levels in your slides. The first one of them being the initial formatting. What you want to have is a clear structure, which remains consistent throughout the entire presentation. If you set up your page in the following way, a title on the top and content respecting certain borders, as shown here, the readers or viewers of your presentation will expect you to respect these alignments in all of your slides. So, the first point that we'd like to stress out is the following. You have to be consistent with the format of your presentation. This is very important. It is crucial to create a good structure. Firstly, you want to make sure that you leave some unused space, like we have done in this slide here. Do not fill the whole slide with content, as it renders it too complex and cluttered. See how this slide is suffocating from content? It is better to leave some unmarked space around the visual elements as well. Usually, you want to leave a good amount of space between the title and the slide's content, as shown here. Making good use of free space makes it easy for your audience to organize the information being presented in their mind, and it helps them to comprehend it faster. Grid lines can be a useful tool, which allow us to get a better idea of spacing. In order to find it, we have to go to the View tab. Here we can click on Grid Lines, and all of these grid lines to which we can align objects in the document will appear. Grid lines can be quite useful in situations when we want to gain an idea of whether spacing is equally distant to the left and to the right. Each of these tiny dots can be used in order to enhance your precision. The last thing that we'll discuss in this lesson is slide layout. It can be quite difficult for someone who has less experience until he figures out how to organize the content that he has to present. Typically, the content of slides in corporate presentations is organized in the following formats. Full page. The whole slide represents one page. Horizontal half page. The slide is divided into two parts. Readers would read it in the following order. Vertical half page. The slide is divided into two parts, and very often the right page contains text, which serves as description of the content standing on the left. Quarter page. A very popular format, often used in order to save space. Typically, we would see either 4 separate pages with content, as we have here, or 2 pages with content on the left and 2 pages containing text description on the right. 1/6 of a page. A format that is often used in order to show a series of charts. This was our lesson covering the initial structure and types of slides that we are likely to see in a PowerPoint presentation. Next, we will learn how to save a lot of time by using shortcut combinations within PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.